Good morning, kids. Today's activity is fruit salad.
We get fruits from the trees, and these are lots of fruits, and these fruits are important for our health. These fruits are very healthy. Yes, and now I am showing you which fruits are. This is orange, pomegranate, apple, red apple. This is pear, green pear, and yellow banana. Teacher has taught you colors also. Yes, and this is chiku, brown color chiku. And what is this? This is orange color papaya. All these fruits we can get from the trees, and we have to eat these fruits. And what is this? This is muskmelon. Yes, now what we are going to do with these fruits? So many fruits are there. So we are going to do one activity, cooking activity. आपकी मम्मी खाना बनाती है तो आप भी बनाते हो नहीं ना? तो आज हम लोग कुकिंग एक्टिविटी बनाएंगे, एंड दैट इज fruit salad. And fruit salad is very important for our health, because these fruits we get lots of vitamins and minerals and fiber from these fruits. So, and what is this? This is a sweet lime. So with the help of these fruits we can, what we have to do, we can make a fruit salad. Okay, now we start. See, this is a pomegranate, and while cutting you have to take your mother's help. Your mummy will help you, so you have to not use knife. And how we cut this pomegranate? This way we have to cut it. Then what we get inside, we get pomegranate seeds. See, pink color pomegranate seeds are there, and we have to take out these seeds this way. Seeds. Now this is chiku, brown color chiku, and when we cut this, we can get brown color inside also. Yes, and what is this? This is a black color seed inside the chiku. See, if you want to plant the trees, what we have to do? We have to dry these seeds, and again we germinate this seed, then we can get the plants again. After this is the chiku. Now this is banana, yellow color banana. There are different types of bananas, and how we eat the banana? We have to peel the skin. This way we have to peel out the skin. Now this is orange, and this is sweet lime. These are citrus food. We get vitamin C from this fruit. ये खाने से हम लोग को विटामिन सी बहुत अच्छे तरह से मिलते हैं. सो वी हैव टू ईट दिस फ्रूट्स. आपको ये सब फ्रूट्स खाने चाहिए. नाउ हाउ we have to, for orange also we have to pull out the skin. ये ऑरेंज की भी ऐसी स्किन निकालनी पड़ती है. एंड दिस इज अ orange, and there are seeds inside this part. See, this is a orange. And for sweet lime we have to cut. Sweet lime के लिए हमको कट करना पड़ता है. This is sweet lime, and there are seeds. See, these white color seeds are there inside this sweet lime. This is, see, this is white color seed inside this sweet lime. This is pear, green color pear, and we have to cut this pear this way. This is also seed inside this pear. See, black color seeds are there inside this pear. This is also we have to cut, but we have to wash. Yes, before cutting we have to wash properly. We have to wash fruits, then we have to cut it this way. See, this is a pear, and white color inside, outside green color, and inside white color. So this is a pear, and we are making small parts. You can eat directly also, but we are making fruit salad, so we have to cut it in small parts. Now this is papaya, orange color papaya. And how we cut this papaya? We have to cut it in middle. Then see, these are the seeds, lot of seeds inside this, and see the orange color and seeds. We have to take out these seeds, and we have to take out this skin also, and this part we have to eat. This way we have to take out the skin. Now this is mask melon, and we have to cut it in middle. So there are also lots of seeds. Then we have to take out this skin also, and this part we have to take. Also very healthy. Apple, and we have to cut this apple this way. So, and in apple also there are seeds inside. See, these are the black color seeds inside, and we have to make the pieces. We have to, what we say, eat apple a day and keep the doctor away. Now this way all these fruits cut in pieces. This is banana, apple, sweet lime and orange, pomegranate, papaya, chiku, pear and melon. So what we are going to do? We are going to papaya and chiku, pear. This is our, what is this? Fruit salad. You have to eat these fruits. This is colorful fruits, and this is our colorful fruit salad. Now you have to mix it, and last is pomegranate seeds. Now this way you have to mix it. Now directly also you can eat this. Yes, this is our fruit salad, and if you want to add, this is custard. If you want to add this custard, you have to add custard also. And if you want to add this chaat masala, that is also I am using this custard. This custard is made up of milk, so this is also healthy. And we have to, now this way we have to, this is your fruit salad ready.